Hello everyone and welcome to Home Cooking. So first what you'll need to do is take some chalk from the fridge you froze overnight. So this is some chalk we froze overnight. So what you'll need to do is crush it with a handy cooking utensil. Now there may be a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. We will want to turn the burner on to 365 billion degrees. That should be enough. Just let it simmer for a second. It should look like this. And as it's cooking, shake it up a little bit and add some basil and parsley, little bits at a time. Sorry, that's my air conditioning. Okay, now that we have a little bit of parsley, we can turn it up a little bit. And just let it sit for 24 hours. And we can come back. We're back after a day and our food should be ready. Oh, that looks wonderful. Let's get it off the burner. So it's ready to eat. Enjoy.